Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are looking at and unboxing the Bracketron Auto Grip Low Profile Dash Mount. So let's get this out of the box and install it and see how well it works. Alright, first thing we have here is we have your instructions. You have the bracket itself. We have a base plate that will go to your car if needed. And then we have the gravity fed foam holder. Look at that, that's pretty cool. We'll see how well it works. All right, let's go pop it in the car. All right, so we're in the car and I'm gonna pop this in and it's pretty much just peel and stick. This is a sticky suction cup right here, so it should have no problem sticking. But either way, let's put it up there. I'm thinking probably somewhere around here. And it should just be a little press and a flip of the button. Should lock it in there pretty good. It seems to be super tight. I don't think that's going anywhere. What I like is that it actually sits on this too, so it gets a little extra support. You can angle that. We'll see how it is when I have the actual phone in it. Pop it in. It should just boop. Fits perfect. It's nice. It's out the way. I could even put it sideways. I'm liking it. Thinking it worked out very well. So you know what I like too is that even though it's gravity fed, you can still turn it sideways or turn it in portrait mode. And with portrait mode, where I'm sitting right now, it doesn't get in front of the window view. So I can still see the window view very good. And obviously if I put it like this, it's going to be even better. So we're going to go ahead and give this a nice pass. This is 2 thumbs up here. Works well. It sticks good. I have no problem putting my phone into it. With this gravity fed bracket here, this is pretty cool. I haven't seen this yet. This is something that is nice because it's a one-hand operation. A lot of the times you have to press a button and then, you know, hold on to your actual phone at the same time. This is just pick your phone up, pop it in, pick your phone up, pop it in. I don't see any problems. I like how the side pieces stay under your buttons perfectly. They're not going to hit your buttons and change stuff or SOS, you know, the police or something. So that is kind of nice. If you are looking for phone mounts for your car, this is a great option. I hope this video helps you guys out. Thank you so much for watching.